Are you looking for a new side hustle, one that doesn't require coding skills, a huge investment, or years of experience? Today, I'm revealing an AI-powered side hustle that almost nobody is talking about, but has massive potential. Personalized AI greetings. Forget generic greeting cards. We're talking about creating custom, heartfelt video messages for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or any special occasion, using the power of artificial intelligence. It's easier than you think, and the market is wide open. Let's dive into your step-by-step guide to earning in dollars with AI. Step 1. The tools. You only need two key AI tools to start. First, a voice generator. Tools like Eleven Labs can create incredibly realistic human-like voices. You can clone your own voice or use one from their library. Second, an AI image generator, like Midjourney. This will create the stunning visuals for your greeting. Step 2. Finding your clients. Where do you sell these unique greetings? Start on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a compelling gig that showcases a few examples. Another fantastic platform is Etsy, a marketplace where people are actively searching for personalized and custom gifts. Step 3. Creating your first AI greeting. Let's walk through an example. A client wants a birthday video for their friend who loves space exploration. First, you'll get the details, the friend's name, some personal anecdotes. You'll write a short, warm script. Next, head to the AI voice generator. Input the script and choose a friendly, warm voice. Generate the audio file. Then, go to your AI image generator. Use a prompt like a photorealistic image of an astronaut holding a birthday cake with glowing candles, floating in the Orion Nebula, cinematic lighting. Generate a few options until you find the perfect one. Finally, combine the audio and the image in a simple video editor. Add some text, like happy birthday, name. And you have a professional, personalized AI greeting ready for delivery. Step 4. Pricing and scaling. When you're starting, you can price your greetings competitively, perhaps $15 to $20 for a basic video. As you build your portfolio and get positive reviews, you can increase your prices. To scale, think bigger. Offer packages for multiple greetings, or target corporate clients for holiday messages. You can create templates for different occasions to speed up your workflow. The possibilities are endless, so there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to starting a profitable AI side hustle. You're not just creating a product, you're creating a personal, memorable experience for people. All with the help of AI. What are you waiting for? Start creating and earning today. This is brought to you by Multiplat AI Empire, a division of Multiplat Techs. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, and share.